And news just coming in, we are learning that the Supreme Court lawyers have received a fifth threat call from the SFJ, or the Sikhs for Justice, saying that Prime Minister Modi will not be allowed to hoist the flag on the Republic Day. Do remember that these calls, of course, have also been preceded by such calls that have been made by the SFJ. Most of them, of course, were around the Prime Minister's security breach. So what we understand now is that there is another call that has been received by lawyers. Now, this particular threat call that has been received says that the Prime Minister Modi will not be allowed to hoist the flag on Republic Day. Anane is on the phone line. Anane, tell us more.
The lawyers, and this is the fourth time that such a thing is happening, because remember, first it came from a UK-based number, then from a Canadian-based number, and now again a threat call has been received with regards to the advocates of the Supreme Court of India, and this is another attempt to sabotage the judicial proceedings at the topmost court of the country. And remember, it has also been said in that call that the committee headed by Justice Indu Malhotra, a very competent judge.
Stay with us, Anane. Stay with us. Nishant Kaneshwar is on the phone line with us. Good morning. Thank you very much for joining us. क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं what happened, who made this call, and what did this call specifically say?
Again, I received this call from a UK number. It is from Mr. Pannu of SFJ, but today it is saying that the SFJ will identify the advocates, and because of filing of the complaint, now the advocates have put themselves in a dangerous position, and it further says that SFJ will not allow Justice Indu Malhotra to proceed with the inquiry committee, and SFJ will block the Honorable Prime Minister on 26th of January.
Right now, is this a video, is this a recorded message that you received?
Yes, it is again a recorded message. Whenever somebody picks up the call, he will hear the entire recorded call.
Right. Are you the only one right now who's received this call? Are there other lawyers?
I'm not aware, but just before 10 minutes, I received this call. But I think the modus operandi will be the same. Many advocates will receive the call.
Right, absolutely. As you're pointing out, we've seen it in the past on key dates where the Prime Minister is either speaking or there is a big hearing in the Supreme Court. So do you think that, this perhaps is propaganda that is linked?
Yes, obviously it appears. It is obvious, in fact. But I think the committee headed by Justice Indu Malhotra will inquire into the matter, and the responsible investigating machinery will be directed to probe the matter.
Right, absolutely. As you're pointing out, could you just recount for our viewers, where this call came from and any particulars about what the person who was on the other side of the recorded message spoke of?
Yes. Before just 10 minutes, I received a call from a UK number. The call says that it is from SFJ, Mr. Pannu. It's a recorded message, and now it threatens the lawyers, because it says that now the Supreme Court advocates have made a complaint and they will be identified. And because of the complaint, the advocates have put themselves in a danger, one thing. Secondly, it says that SFJ will not allow Justice Indu Malhotra to proceed with the inquiry. And thirdly, it says that it will block the Honorable Prime Minister on 26th of January.
Right. Thank you very much for speaking to us on Republic TV. Thank you.